Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge if you're stopping by for the first time, and in today's video I have two recruitments for us. I have the Nigerian Navy recruitment and I have the UBEC recruitment. So if you want to know more about these recruitments, how you can apply for them, their qualifications and all, then you need to keep watching this video. And as our ritual is, please click that subscribe button, turn on your notification and join this family. Okay, so before I jump into what we have for today, before I jump into all of these recruitments, like I promised in my previous video, I said I was going to be doing shout out for small YouTubers like myself. So the person I have in today's shout out, or for today's shout out, is Ada Jumbo. You guys, you need to go check her channel out. Like, ever since she subscribed to my channel, she has been so supportive. She comments on all my videos, she likes them, and I don't know, she has just been very amazing. She's been an amazing subscriber so far, and I would really appreciate it if you guys could also go to her channel and show her love and subscribe. Okay, and when you do subscribe to her channel, please tell her that Oge sent you to her. Tell her that I sent you to her. Okay, and you can also get a shout out. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is just leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what your channel is all about, and very importantly, you have to also subscribe to my channel. It is an important criteria before you can get a shout out. Okay, so when you subscribe, you go to the comment section and you leave a comment telling me all about your YouTube channel, what you do and all of that. So you guys go check out Ada's channel. She makes videos for also beginning YouTubers like us like all of us, and also she does really interesting videos, fun videos and all. So you can go check out her channel and subscribe to her channel. Without wasting much time, without further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So like I said earlier, I have two recruitments, and the first one is the Nigerian Navy DSSC recruitment or course. So the Nigerian Navy Direct Short Service Commission is currently asking people to apply for the Direct Short Service Commission course, and these are some of the requirements that you need to know or that you need to have for you to be able to apply. So if you see me looking down just now, I have them in a note and I'm just going to be looking at them. So the first requirement here is that you have to be a Nigerian. You have to be a Nigerian by birth. Okay, be a Nigerian by birth. The second one is you have to be between the ages of 18 and 13. Yeah, they're about 18 and 13. Between the ages of 18 and 13, you have to be medically fit, and you have to present certificate of fitness, of medical fitness, from a government approved hospital, a government recognized hospital. And then you have to be a of good character. You mustn't belong to any secret society, any cults, and you must have no criminal records, none at all, in the past or presently. You must have no criminal records. And then for the qualifications also, you have to have a second class upper division, a minimum of second class upper division in your BSc. And if it is HND, then you have to have an upper credit for HND. Also, you also have to have your NYSC discharge certificate, and if it is exemption you opted for, then you also have to have the exemption letter. Now the deadline for this application, there are more requirements and all of that, so I'll just be putting their link in the description box. Like, the ones I just stated are just a few of their requirements and qualifications. So when you go to their link, you will see their requirements, you see every that you need to have. So just head on to that link and check it out, okay? Also, you have to know that this recruitment is going to be ending on the 5th of October 2020. So you have to start applying from now onwards. Start applying from now. It started, their portal opened by 7th of this month, 7th of September, and it's going to be closing on the 5th of October. So don't waste time, just go now and apply. The other recruitment that I have for you is the Universal Basic Education Commission recruitment, the UBEC recruitment. So the UBEC is currently doing its federal teachers scheme. So they are currently recruiting teachers. If you haven't heard of this before, so what they do is, for federal schools that are having less teachers or that need more helping hands and they have like very few teachers, they usually recruit people to go teach in those schools for a period of 2 years. And so they're currently doing that now, or they're about to start doing that now, and you can start applying for that. So what you have to need, or what you have to have for this, is your bachelor's degree for education. You have to have a bachelor's degree for education. But if you don't have a bachelor's degree in education, then you have to have a bachelor's degree and then a postgraduate degree, a postgraduate diploma in education. Either way, you have to have something that has to do with education for you to be able to apply. And then you also have to have a minimum of second class lower division for your bachelor's degree. And then for NCE, you have to possess NCE with credit pass for teaching practice. You know, people usually do teaching practice. So in that teaching practice, where whatever school you went to do your teaching practice, you must have had like a credit pass for that teaching practice that you did. And then the deadline for this, the deadline is the 24th of September. So this one is not very long. I think it's about 2 weeks or so. So whatever you have to do, you have to like do it within this time. The portal is going to be opened on the 10th, from 10th of September to the 24th of September. So you have just 2 weeks to apply for this. Okay, and then you also have to know that the teaching that you're going to be doing is going to be for 2 years, and you're going to be paid 30,000 naira every month for these 2 years, unless the UBEC decide that they want to extend your service time, but it is usually 2 years. And then for persons who are going to be shortlisted, you're going to be doing a computer-based test on the 10th of October. On the 10th of October 2020. So I'm sure that there will be means to reach you. Now I'm going to also be putting their link in the description box, so you can go there and apply for it. Okay, go to their link and fill the form there and apply for it. And then you'll be reached. You have to upload your credentials, the certificates that they are going to be telling you, or the ones that I've so far mentioned to you. You need to upload them, and then you also need to upload like a recent passport. So guys, these are the recruitments that I have for today. If you found this video helpful in one way or another, then please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And very importantly, I don't know, I can't stress this enough, but guys, it's very important that you subscribe to my channel, okay? So please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, okay? And yes, I would really like to know if you liked this video or if it was helpful for you. And I can't know if you don't give the video a thumbs up. I can't know. And help me to share also, because you don't know who this might be helpful to. So just share to your loved ones, share to everyone that you think is going to find this information helpful. And these are the kind of videos that I make. So if you're interested in this kind of content, this kind of useful information, then please subscribe to my channel. And like I said in the beginning, if you want me to do a shout out for your channel, if you're a small YouTuber and you want me to do a shout out for you, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what your channel is all about, and in my next video I'll be giving you a shout out. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I'm going to be seeing you in my next one, but for now I'm just going to say bye. Love you all.